Tired of your Fitbit showing the wrong time after traveling or for daylight saving? This video shows you exactly how to change the time on your Fitbit, step by step, and fix it for good. If you've ever landed in a new city, glanced at your wrist, and had a mini panic because the time is an hour off, you know how frustrating it is. When your Fitbit time is wrong, it can throw off your entire schedule and even your activity tracking. It's a common problem, but thankfully the fix is incredibly simple. Hey everyone! I'm Anna from For Real. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix your Fitbit's time. We'll cover the super easy automatic method that works for 99% of people, and also the manual method for those times when you need more control. No more confusion, let's dive right in. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is open the Fitbit app on your phone. All the time settings are controlled from the app, not the device itself. Once it's open, look for your profile icon at the top right corner. Since Google now owns Fitbit, for most of us, this will be your Google account icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This opens up a menu with a few options. You're looking for Fitbit settings, which usually has a little gear icon next to it. Tap on that to go to the main settings screen. Now you'll see a list of different settings for your account. We need to find the one that controls your Fitbit time zone setting. Under the app settings section, you'll see an option called Date, Time, and Units. It's the key to fixing our problem. Tap on it. All right, this is the most important screen. You'll see date and time at the top. The first method, and the easiest, is to let your Fitbit handle everything automatically. See this toggle that says Set Automatically? You want to make sure that is toggled on. When this is on, the Fitbit app simply uses your phone's current time zone. So if your phone's time is correct, your Fitbit's time will be too after a quick sync. Pro tip: for this Fitbit automatic time feature to work perfectly, make sure your phone's main date and time settings are also set to update automatically. This is usually the default, but it's good to double-check if you're having issues. Quick pause. If this tutorial has been helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap that like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, now let's talk about what to do if the automatic setting isn't for you. So, why would you ever want to set the time manually? Well, maybe you're traveling and want to keep your Fitbit on your home time zone to track your sleep schedule. Or perhaps your phone is being stubborn and not picking up the local network time. For these cases, we'll set it manually. First, tap the Set Automatically toggle to turn it off. You'll notice the time zone option below it can now be tapped. Tap on Time Zone, and you'll see a huge list of all the world's time zones. Simply scroll to find the one you need and select it. Whether you use the automatic or manual method, your Fitbit will not update until you sync it with the app. This is the step everyone forgets. To sync your Fitbit time, go back to the main Today screen of the app. Tap the device icon in the top left, find your device in the list, and then tap the Sync Now button. Give it a moment and you should see the time on your Fitbit's screen change. What if it's still not working? The most common issue is a failed sync. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and your Fitbit is nearby. If it still fails, try closing and reopening the Fitbit app or even restarting your Fitbit itself. A quick reboot often solves any lingering connection problems and helps to update Fitbit time correctly. And that's it. You now know exactly how to change the time on your Fitbit. No more dealing with the frustration of your Fitbit time being wrong. You can now easily switch between automatic and manual settings to keep your tracker perfectly on time, wherever you are in the world. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more easy-to-follow tech guides from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. And let me know in the comments, what other Fitbit feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.